Lovely Kenyalang. It's been a while since we are here. The last time we were here is last year.
2 years.
Last 2 years last time I was here, it was last 2 years, man. Wow, that was like a long time ago. And this is the spot where I got my don't want a throwback video lah. Okay, I give you a throwback video. Yeah, so it's one of my moments where it helps me jumpstart my YouTube career. Yeah, so it's a very defining moment for this YouTube channel, so it was nice. So today we're in Kenyalang with the boys again, same guys from the previous video. Yeah, so today we're gonna give you 5 tips on how to shoot product videography. So today we're gonna give you 5 tips on how to shoot product photos. Let's go. So tip number 1 is to shoot outdoors, because if you're shooting outdoors, right, you don't need to think about your lighting is there. You just need to find a great spot to shoot your photo. So for example, Sam is at a very good spot right now. We have a very nice soft background over there. And the lighting now is actually quite okay, quite soft, not that harsh. So one thing to remember is to eliminate as much hassle as possible, because you want to enjoy the shooting process. No, you didn't shoot in RAW.
You raw man.
Okay, so this tip is not shoot in RAW, but this tip is to find shoot in JPEG. So tip number 2 is to have a model, because having a model, right, actually brings life to the product that you're showcasing. Some products can be shot individually without a model, but then with a model, it tells a different story. It tells the story of how the product is interacting with the customers that the brand wants to reach. So tip number 3 and 4 is similar. Tip number 3 is to do your research. Tip number 4 is have a short list. Do your research, meaning to research on what the bag is about and what kind of shots works with the bag, like what environment or what type of angles, you know, this kind of technical stuff. And number 4 is to have a short list. Please have a short list. Like for Gaston Luga, they approached Sam and Sam approached us. So and Sam is a photographer himself, so he should know what kind of photos that he wants, and he let us know that we go and shoot. Right, so it makes everyone easy. So we don't have to think on location. It's gonna be a hassle if we think on location. But yeah, just make sure to keep it simple and then know what you're doing in the end. Alright, so let's move on. So tip number 5, which is the last tip, is to shoot with friends. Okay, so really, everything is more fun if you do it with friends, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you'll be awkward as hell.
Yeah. So if you don't have any friends, then I don't know, very hard for you. Or you can go and follow us and reach out to us.
We'll be your friends.
Yeah, be your friends. If you're in Kuching, yeah, hit us up. Yes. If you're anywhere else, then you have to sponsor us. We cannot afford to fly over, but we will if you sponsor us. Yeah. A little bit of backstory. I actually reached out to Jia Woei. I reached out to you, or you reached out to me?
You reached out to me for this shirt.
Yeah. Is it this one? Oh no, the one at Bandungan.
Right.
Yeah, so a little bonus tip for you is to, if you don't have friends, they can reach out to people through Instagram. Like if you're doing something similar. Like I first saw his drone shots and he's amazing with the drone shots. As the first person to do the, what do you call that, the tiny planet thing. Yeah, tiny world thing in Kuching. So like I find it fascinating. So I reached out to him. You see, a little small step of reaching out goes a long way. See, right now, 2 years into the future, we are still shooting together. Wow, really, that's amazing. And Sam is like, we have a mutual friend now.
Been here all along.
Yeah, but like, yeah, just find your ways to reach out. It's not how to say, it's not bad to reach out to people, to find new people. It's always great to meet new people and then collaborate and just have fun, you know. Yeah.
If they're good, then you'll stick together. If they're bad, just stray away from them.
Yeah, but then you figure it out when you just reach out, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching the video. And
This is 2 Minute Tuesday.
2 Minute Tuesday. And where can people find you?
You can find me on my Instagram. It will be linked in Jerry's description below.
I'm sure Jerry will put it. Right?
Maybe.
And me Samuel Tan, so yeah, you can check it out.
So check out their photos on their Instagram and check out their videos as well on YouTube. But yeah, if you're more of a photo guy, then you can check out their photos. They have really good stuff there. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.